stop. Before I say anything else, I want to ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you knew exactly what you wanted to say in English, but the words just wouldn't come out? Maybe you were at a restaurant. Maybe someone gave you the wrong order. Maybe you needed help in a shop. And instead of speaking, you just smiled, nodded, walked away. I know that feeling. I've been there too. And today, we are going to fix that together. My name is Anna, and welcome to English with Mr. Bond, the channel where we don't just teach you English words, we teach you how to actually use them in real life, in real moments, with real confidence. Today's episode is called Real English in Action, and here's what makes it different from every other English lesson you've seen. Every single conversation you're about to hear, it's a situation you could walk into tomorrow. Ordering food, dealing with a problem, meeting someone new, asking for help. These are the moments that matter. And here's your challenge for today. I want you to listen for 3 things in every conversation. Number 1, how do we ask for help without sounding rude or awkward? Number 2, what do you say when something goes wrong and you need to fix it politely? And number 3, how do you end a conversation so the other person remembers you in a good way? If you catch those 3 things, you will leave today speaking better English than when you started. I promise you that.
Hi, excuse me. I'm so sorry to stop you, but I'm completely lost. Could you help me for just a second? Oh, of course. Where are you trying to get to? I'm looking for the Central Library. I thought it was this way, but honestly, I have no idea anymore. Happens to everyone around here. Okay, so you're actually going the wrong way. Turn around, go back past that tall gray building. Do you see it? Yes, the one with the blue sign? Exactly, that one. Walk past it, then at the traffic lights, turn left. Go straight, maybe 2 minutes, and the library will be right there on your right. Big glass doors. You honestly cannot miss it. Okay, past the gray building, left at the lights, straight, then right side. Got it. You've got it perfectly. Oh, wow, thank you so much. You just saved me. No problem at all. Good luck. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hi there. I was hoping you could help me. I bought this jacket here a few days ago, and I just noticed there's a small tear here near the pocket. I didn't see it in the shop.
Oh no, I'm really sorry about that. Let me take a look. Yes, I can see it. Do you have your receipt with you?
I do, yes. Here you go.
Great. And did you pay by card or cash?
Card.
Perfect. So we can do one of 2 things. A full refund back to your card, or we can exchange it for a new one. Totally your choice.
Oh, that's good to know. Could I exchange it for the same jacket in dark blue? I actually prefer that color anyway.
Absolutely. Let me check the back. Give me just a moment. You're in luck. We have it in dark blue. Here you go.
Oh, that's perfect. I actually like this one even more. Thank you so much for sorting that out.
Of course. Sorry again for the trouble. I hope you'll love the jacket.
I'm sure I will. You've been so helpful. Thank you.
Hi. I've been thinking about joining a gym for a while, and a friend recommended this place. Could you walk me through what you offer?
Of course. We'd love to have you. So we have 3 options: monthly, 6 months, or annual. What kind of commitment are you looking for?
Honestly, I'm not sure yet. I want to see if I actually enjoy it first.
Very honest. So our monthly is perfect for that. It's $45 a month, no long contract, and you can cancel anytime with just 2 weeks' notice.
Oh, that's flexible. What's included?
Everything. Full gym access, the swimming pool, all group classes, yoga, spin, boxing. And when you sign up, you get one free personal training session to get you started.
Wait, a free training session? That's a great deal.
It is. And honestly, a lot of people find that one session really helps them figure out what they want to work on.
I love that. Can I actually try the gym before I commit? Just to see if it feels right?
Absolutely. We give everyone a free day pass. You can come in, use everything, and decide from there.
That's really reassuring. Let's do that. I'll take the day pass today.
Perfect. I just need your name and email, and I'll set that up for you right now.
Sure. It's Anna Reeves. A-N-N-A Reeves. R-E-E-V-E-S.
Got it, Anna. Here's your pass. Enjoy your first session.
I'm actually excited now. Thank you.
Good morning, Riverside Dental. How can I help you today?
Oh, good morning. I'd like to make an appointment, please. I've had a toothache for a couple of days, and I really need to get it looked at.
Of course. I'm sorry to hear that. Is this for a routine check or is it more urgent?
It's more urgent, I think. The pain has been getting worse.
Okay, let's get you in soon. Are you already a patient with us?
No, I'm new to the area, actually.
No problem at all. We'd be happy to register you. Could I take your full name?
Yes, it's Anna Reeves.
And a contact number?
It's 07714 522 308.
Thank you, Anna. We have a slot on Thursday at 2:30. Would that work for you?
Thursday at 2:30. Yes, that's perfect, actually.
Wonderful. Just so you know, if you arrive about 5 minutes early, we'll have a short registration form for you to fill in. And bring a photo ID if you have one handy.
Of course. And just to check, is parking available nearby?
There's a small car park right behind the building, free for patients.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
You're very welcome, Anna. See you Thursday. Take care of yourself.
Hi, I need to send this to Canada. It's a birthday gift for my sister. What are my options?
Sure. We have Standard International and Express. Standard takes around 10 to 14 working days. Express is 3 to 5.
Her birthday is in 8 days, so Standard might be cutting it close. What does Express cost?
Let me weigh it first. Could you pop it on the scale?
Of course. Here.
Okay, it's just under 1.5 kilograms. Express to Canada, that's going to be $23.
And Standard?
Standard would be $9.50.
I'll go with Express. I don't want to risk it arriving late. That would be awful.
Good thinking. Does the package contain anything fragile, liquid, or battery operated?
No, it's a scarf and some chocolates. Nothing breakable.
Perfect. I'll need the recipient's name and full address.
I wrote it on this card. Here you go. Yes, please. Then I can tell her to look out for it.
Smart. Here's your receipt. The tracking code is right at the bottom.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Excuse me. I'm so sorry to stop you. I think there might be a small mix-up with my order.
Oh, really? What happened?
I ordered the vegetable pasta, but this looks like the chicken one. I'm vegetarian, so I can't eat it.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. That's absolutely our mistake. Let me take that back and get the right dish for you straight away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Again, I apologize. Can I bring you some bread while you wait? It won't be long.
Oh, that's really kind. Yes, please.
Here we go. Vegetable pasta. And I've spoken to the manager. We're taking the bread off your bill as an apology.
Oh, wow. You really didn't have to do that. But thank you. That's very generous.
It's the least we can do. Enjoy your meal, and again, I'm sorry for the confusion.
No worries at all. Thank you for fixing it so quickly. Good morning. I'm checking in for the flight to Tokyo, please. Good morning. Passport and booking reference? Here's my passport. Booking reference is TK4781. Perfect. Any bags to check today? Just the one. And I have to be honest, I'm a bit worried it might be slightly over. Let's see. Pop it on the scale for me. Here goes. 23 kilos. You're absolutely fine. Limit is 25. Oh, that's such a relief. I packed way too many shoes. Wouldn't be the first time. Window or aisle? Aisle, please. I like to be able to get up and walk around. Of course. I've put you in 22C. Aisle seat, good legroom. Your gate is gate 19. Boarding starts at 11:15, so about 2 hours from now. Gate 19, boarding at 11:15. Got it. Do I go through security first? Yes. Follow the departure signs, go through security, and gate 19 is about an 8-minute walk from there. Plenty of time. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful trip to Tokyo. Thank you. I can't wait.
Hi, sorry to bother you. I'm trying to find olive oil and I've walked around this store twice and I still can't find it.
Don't worry, you're not the first. Olive oil is in aisle 7. That's the cooking oils and sauces section. About halfway down on your left. Aisle 7. Left side. Okay, brilliant. Could I also ask, where's the fresh pasta? I found the dried pasta, but I couldn't see any fresh. Great question. Fresh pasta is in the chilled section, not with the dry goods. Go to the back wall of the store, follow it along, and you'll see it between the salads and the dairy. It trips everyone up. Oh, that completely makes sense now. I was looking in totally the wrong place. Happens all the time. Anything else I can help you find? Actually, yes. Do you have pine nuts? I need them for the recipe. Pine nuts. Yes, those are in aisle 3, with the nuts and dried fruit. Small bags, usually on the middle shelf. You have saved my dinner tonight, genuinely. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Good luck with the recipe. Thank you. Fingers crossed it turns out well.
Oh, hello. You must be the new neighbor? I heard someone moving in yesterday.
Was it that loud? I'm so sorry. Yes, that was me. I moved in yesterday afternoon. I'm Anna.
Not loud at all. Don't worry. I'm James. I'm just across the hall. 4B. Welcome to the building.
Thank you, James. It's lovely to meet you. Have you lived here long?
About 4 years now. It's a really nice building. Very quiet. Everyone keeps to themselves, but people are friendly. I think you'll like it.
That's really good to hear. I'm still finding my feet. I only moved to this city a week ago.
Oh, wow. A fresh start. Are you from here originally?
No, I'm from a small town about 2 hours north. It's quite a change, honestly.
I can imagine. Well, if you ever need anything or have questions about the area, just knock. I know this neighborhood pretty well by now.
That's so kind, thank you. Actually, is there a decent coffee place nearby? That's my one priority right now.
Absolutely essential. There's a little place called Brew & Co. just around the corner. About a 3-minute walk. Opens at 7. Really good flat whites.
7 in the morning? You just made my whole week. Thank you, James.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Anna. Hope you settle in well.
I have a feeling I will. Really lovely to meet you. You made it! 10 conversations. 10 real situations. And if you were paying attention, you heard those 3 things I mentioned at the start playing out again and again. How do we ask for help without sounding awkward? We say things like, I was hoping you could help me. Could you help me for just a second? Bear with me. I'm not sure exactly. Soft, friendly, no pressure. That's the English that gets results. What do we say when something goes wrong? I think there might be a small mix-up. I have to be honest. I don't want to risk it. We stay calm. We stay warm. We find the solution together. And how do we end a conversation so people remember us well? You just saved me. You've made my whole week. I have a feeling I will. Fingers crossed. These endings are warm, personal, and real, and they leave a great impression every single time. Now, here is your homework. This week, pick just one conversation from today. One. Practice it out loud. Say it in the shower, in the car, walking to the shops. Say it until it feels natural. Because fluency isn't about knowing more words, it's about feeling comfortable using the words you already have. If this helped you today, please hit like and subscribe. It really does mean the world to us, and it helps us reach more learners just like you. And leave a comment below. Tell me which scene was your favorite, or tell me a situation you want to see in the next episode. I read every single comment. You are doing something incredible by learning a new language. It is not easy, but every conversation you have, even the small ones, is progress. Be proud of yourself. I'm Anna. This is English with Mr. Bond, and I'll see you in the next one.